Come plant potatoes with me. We're going to amend our bed with compost and really work that in. Potatoes love fertile soil. Next, we're going to grab our potatoes and look for the little growth points called the eyes. You can cut smaller pieces of the potato, just make sure each piece has an eye. This is where the potato will sprout and grow new tubers. And don't forget to label each variety with the date. We're going to rake out our bed so it's nice and even and mound up the sides. With a hoe, dig shallow trenches about 6 inches deep for the length of your potato bed. Put your label in, then with eyes facing up, place a cut piece of potato into the trench and space out each potato at least 6 inches apart to allow each plant to grow multiple tubers. Cover your potato babies with at least 3 to 4 inches of soil and water them in so they can get established. We're also planting parsley to attract beneficial insects. And now we wait. Follow along to see what happens next.